Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 290 front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 100ps low-roof van, Euro 6 ULEZ. Non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 117232. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. Engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Well worth spending the time to get this beauty back on the road. OK, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,975. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400